Grand Rising, Divine Collective, let's get started. There's an Emperor in the reverse here who is trying to sabotage you. This is someone's false twin flame that's coming up as very sneaky, Divine Collective, okay? Messages left on read, unresponsive. Spirit is sending you signs and synchronicities, Divine Collective. This is someone that you co-parent with, Spirit is telling me, okay? You're getting signs and synchronicities about this person who is being very sneaky in the background, Divine Collective. This Emperor in the reverse is trying to sabotage you. However, I see that you're coming into perfect alignment, Divine Collective. If by chance you're taking a trip, Divine Collective, or your plans get canceled, or something else comes up, or something does not turn out the way that you had planned or expected, Spirit is telling you to not try to force the situation. So say your plane got delayed and they say, well, you can upgrade and you can go on this plane instead. It's like Spirit is saying, just take your time, don't rush, wait it out, okay? That's kind of what I'm picking up on. So if something happens that delays you and you're feeling a bit frustrated, something about you taking your time, okay? Because you're being redirected, you're being protected in a specific situation, Divine Collective, okay? Someone here is wishing death on you. And that's wild that I get that right after Spirit talks about like flying somewhere or driving a long distance, Divine Collective. Someone here is wishing death on you. Spirit said this person is going to be very sorry, okay? What I heard is that this person is very sorry, but not as if they're sorry for what they're doing. They're just a sorry human being, Divine Collective. They're wishing death on you. Spirit says they're emotionally unavailable. They don't love anyone. They don't love themselves. So they don't have the capability to love anyone, Divine Collective. I'm getting adjudication. Spirit says this person married you for money. There's been a final decision made here. I'm picking up on an argument in a family room here. There's an argument taking place, Divine Collective. Be about your father's work, Spirit says. This person feels abandoned because of your self-confidence, Divine Collective. Spirit says they're lying about some type of money that they took from you. The Dominican Republic could be of significance. Lying about the money that they took from you, Divine Collective. I feel like someone here is trying to use an Earth Angel to attack another Earth Angel, Divine Collective. That's what I'm feeling in this reading. Spirit keeps telling me that this is someone's ex, someone's fallen twin flame who is operating in their dark side, okay? This ex linked up with an organization and now they want out, Divine Collective. A negative external force sent to stop you from completing your destiny, Spirit says. Okay. This organization, a negative external force. I feel like so many of you have gotten to this point on your journey where you're feeling what happened was a blessing in disguise, Divine Collective, meaning you've accepted, you've forgiven, and you've moved on, and you are exactly where it is that you need to be, okay? And this ex of yours is stuck with the person that they are dating because they can control this person, okay? Many of these karmic energies are now stuck with energies just like them, Divine Collective, okay? And that is their karma. Maybe it is they're still in the honeymoon stage. Maybe it is they're still, posting cute pictures with one another all over social media, trying to create a false narrative that they're happy. When the reality is, Divine Collective, karma has been activated. And these karmic energies, they're not doing so well. So they have to come off as if they are, because they don't want us to see that we are right about what is going on, Divine Collective, in Karmicville. There's a life-changing opportunity that I'm picking up on. Prepare yourself, mind, body, and spirit, Divine Collective. I'm also picking up on an emotional separation, mutual feelings through answers you're looking for. A lot of you may be making a tough decision here to walk away from someone, separate yourself from someone. And in a lot of situations, this isn't a bad person, okay? It's just someone who I feel like you've outgrown, Divine Collective. You've outgrown the connection, okay? I'm also picking up on bullies here, trying to strong arm others, Divine Collective, bullies. There's a dark practitioner, abuse of fake power, death spells. Someone here is absolutely doing death spells, Divine Collective. Someone may also be using Santa Muerta in their spell work. Spirit is telling me Santa Muerta, Divine Collective. Also, I'm hearing Santa Muerta is ashamed of you. Whoever is using her name in these spells to cast death upon the Divine Collective, Santa Muerta is ashamed, okay? Spirit says these karmics, they watch our tarot, Divine Collective. They watch us, okay? Someone wants you to believe that they were being gaslit, Divine Collective. I feel like this ex wants to now leave this organization or group that they were working with, Divine Collective. They want to convince you that they were being gaslit, okay? Because they want mercy, Divine Collective, mercy. I'm hearing that song, I believe it's by Brett Young. Mercy, why you gotta show up looking so good just to hurt me? Yeah, someone's in their head here, Divine Collective. They acted immature, they ghosted you. They're in their head about acting immature and ghosting you, Divine Collective. You could be a medium. Very, very big personality you have, okay? You could be a medium here. Yeah, this ex that I'm picking up on, Divine Collective, very jealous, bitter, envious energy, okay? And they still have a lot of healing to do because they're still showing up in that energy, Divine Collective. I am picking up on some kind of physical death, okay? It's not easy saying that, Divine Collective. Spirit usually clarifies whether this is a physical death or a spiritual death. And in this reading, I'm picking up on a physical death. Someone may be on bed rest here. This is someone's karma. Spirit says no more warnings. They were given too many warnings. And I am picking up on a physical death here of someone who won't stop playing in your energy. 9:07 on the clock. The ones who tried to tear you down only made you powerful, Divine Collective. You need time to back away from something, Divine Collective, and heal. Wow. I'm getting tongue-tied because there may be some type of physical death here, okay, the ending of a chapter for someone that has been playing in your energy, Divine Collective, and Spirit is saying that you may need to take time and heal, okay? Take that as it resonates. This person does not know how to communicate. Trust yourself, Divine Collective. They kept doing this.